Hello everyone. Are you ready to learn some powerful tips on how to attract anyone without saying a word? Whether you're looking to charm a romantic partner, make new friends, or simply become more charismatic, these tips will help you become the most sought-after person in any room. But wait, there's more. By subscribing to our channel, you'll get more videos to even more tips and tricks for improving your social skills and boosting your confidence. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to attract anyone without saying anything. Remember to share this video with your loved ones. We're constantly creating thrilling content, so keep an eye out for more in the future. Tip number 1 is to work on yourself. It's important to remember that we all have areas we can improve on, whether it's our physical appearance, our career, or our personal development. Take the time to invest in yourself and become the best version of yourself that you can be. This will not only make you more attractive to others, but it will also improve your confidence and self-esteem. Tip number 2 is to pay attention to details. Whether it's your grooming, your clothing, or your body language, small details can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Take the time to groom yourself well, dress in a way that makes you feel confident, and pay attention to your body language to convey openness and approachability. Tip number 3 is to have fun with it. When you're out and about, whether it's at a social event or just running errands, try to have fun and enjoy yourself. When you're in a good mood, it's infectious and people are naturally drawn to happy, positive people. Tip number 4 is to be present and engaged. When you're talking to someone, make sure to give them your full attention and be engaged in the conversation. Ask questions, listen actively, and show genuine interest in what they have to say. This will make the other person feel valued and appreciated, and they'll be more likely to want to spend time with you. Tip number 5 is to be confident and assertive. Confidence is attractive, and people are drawn to those who exude a sense of self-assuredness. Speak clearly, stand up straight, and don't be afraid to assert yourself when necessary. However, it's important to balance confidence with humility and kindness, as arrogance and aggression can be major turn-offs. And finally, tip number 6 is to be yourself. This may seem like a cliché, but it's true. When you're true to yourself and authentic in your interactions with others, people will be drawn to you for who you are. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to like things that you don't. Embrace your quirks and unique qualities, and you'll attract people who appreciate and admire them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and will start implementing them in your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.